Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for InMotion hosting easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the InMotion hosting website. Click on the sign up button located on the home page. Select the hosting plan that suits your needs. Review the plan details and click select. Fill in the domain registration section. If you already own a domain, enter it in the provided field. If you need a new domain, choose the option to register a new one. Type your desired domain name and select the extension. Click Continue to proceed. Enter your account information in the fields provided. Fill in your first name, last name, and email address. Choose a secure password for your account. Re-enter your password to confirm. Provide your billing information, including your address. Enter your payment details, ensuring all information is accurate. Review your order summary to confirm selected services. Check for any promotional codes or discounts if applicable. Agree to the terms of service by checking the box provided. Click on the Checkout button to complete your registration. After your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Log into your new InMotion hosting account. You are now ready to set up and manage your hosting services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.